Hey everyone, this is Mayur. Welcome to ML Works. In this video, we'll talk about magic command. Before we get started with the magic command, you should install ipython kernel to run these magic commands. Once that is done, you can work with magic commands. So consider if you want to find out the time taken for running a piece of code, then you can use time magic command to find that. Consider I have this three lines here and I want to find the time taken to run through this whole loop. Okay, so I can just run this and I can see the time taken for this particular loop to run. Okay, since I'm using Jupyter Notebook, I can run one cell after another to what identify each of those commands, how it works out. So this is for three lines, what is the time taken, and if you want to find out what is the time taken for each line, then you can use percentage time to get the time taken for each line to execute. And since I'm using Jupyter Notebook, and if I have a Python file, which is I want to load the content of that particular Python file into my Jupyter Notebook, then I can use percentage load to take the content from that particular Python file inside my Jupyter cell. Okay, it will load this particular content here. So if I want to run the particular Python file inside my Jupyter Notebook, then I can do percentage run and it will execute that Python file and give the outputs. And if you want to identify all the variables that are currently what initialized inside your environment, then you can use percentage who to identify all the variables inside that. Conditions, price, set, height, all these variables are declared here. Okay, so it identify those. And if you want to identify specific variable of particular type, then you can do who of int or who of string. Okay, it will tell those variables. Okay, name is of type string, count, price underscore all are of type int. So you can identify the variables like this. And you can identify all your environment variables present inside your system using percentage env. And if you want to set any new environment variable, then you can do set environment variable. Okay, this will create a new environment variable inside there. So you can check this again here. New path is equal to user bin python 1. So you have new path user bin python 1. You can set a variable like this. And if you want to send a particular cell's data or particular function into a particular file, you can use percentage write file addition.py, and whatever the content is present below that, okay, will put into addition.py. Okay, since already it's present, it is overwriting it. And if you want to do some HTML coding, you can also use percentage HTML to run it in Jupyter Notebook. Okay. And if you want to identify all the magic commands that is available to you, just do ls magic. It will give you all the magic commands. So we are done with basics of magic commands. I hope you understood what I have shared here. Yeah. Thank you.